A professional jeweler can turn ordinary glass from a bottle into an emerald, and when combined with a metal ring, this jewelry piece is practically indistinguishable from the original. Italy invented pizza, and in China, they turned its preparation into a real martial arts style show. An unusual method of hand dyeing fabric without mechanization, often used in small productions to obtain environmentally friendly textiles. With such abilities, this guy could compete, as filling 10 ice cream cones at once is a challenging task. It seems like the result brought to life from the imagination of its creator. It's pleasant to step into the shower and see such a unique mosaic on the floor every time. Japanese masters are the world's best in tuna cutting. They do it so professionally and qualitatively that it's hard to look away from their work, especially with the long, sharp knives they use. A gardener wielding samurai swords like a true ninja. An indispensable person for a large gathering when drinks need to be poured, ensuring everyone always has a full glass at any celebration. Even after watching this video many times, it's still unclear how the bartender managed to achieve this. A glassblower is one of the most creative professions. They can craft not only jewelry, but also many other stunning pieces. Look at this ingenious invention for cutting green onions. Simple and convenient. After the construction of a house, facade masons step in, transforming bare walls into beautiful and designer finishes for the entire home. Handmade soap has always been in demand among women because its production is based on natural ingredients, often made in special family soap workshops. Now you know how the closing of the door in an airplane actually happens. Why carry heavy tires when you can apply a bit of cleverness, and they will roll themselves to the destination? With the speed of dishwashing demonstrated by this guy, he could compete with a dishwasher. This small bulldozer is capable of self-leveling the road, and during asphalt road construction, it replaces a team of pavers. The process of creating bamboo thread by hand, used to make rope, fabric, and your favorite bamboo blankets. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.